Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, hi, I'm Palvi, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. So this is the most random vlog I have ever shot on this channel. Like now I was just sitting and was doing my work, and I thought that this will be a really good idea to show you guys that what work I do in a whole day, because my internship is going on. I am a student, and I didn't get any time to shoot videos. I only get Sundays, but this Sunday is also occupied, so I had no time to shoot video. Also, I have missed 1 week already, and I didn't want to miss another week, so I thought this will be a good idea to show you guys that what I do in a day, what work I do in a day, because I rant a lot about this that I am busy, I have other works to do and all of that things, and how my day goes. So basically I don't know what I'm vlogging today. Like I have no idea, because the whole day I'm on laptop and I do work. It's like 5th July today and it's already 5 p.m. It's over 5 p.m. So I'll maybe vlog tomorrow the whole day and then I'll upload. So I took a little bit of chai break now and I'm having my chai, and if you're interested in watching all that, then please continue watching. So took some break from my work and now I'm getting back to it. So yeah, let's do it. So as most of you guys know that I'm a nutrition student, so currently I'm working on my diet plan. So I am working on this diet plan for like 2 days now, like maybe more than that, and it's difficult guys, like it's really difficult to get balance in the diet. So yeah, just a random thing I thought I should share with you guys. So as I told you guys that I'm working on a diet plan, so this is what I have done till now, like breakfast, mid-morning snacks and all of this. Like my diet plan was almost done, but then I came to know that there are some changes, so I have to redo that whole thing again. So I'm redoing it now. Like this is the final one that I have showed you now, that but still some elements are still remaining, so I'm working on it. I'm thinking to finish it off today. So yeah, in like 2 or 3 hours I'm thinking to finish it off hopefully, and then I have another work to do. So anyways, I'll tell you guys that what all I do. So yeah. कुठे गेला? आले आले. कोण आहे? कोण आहे? कोण आहे?
A few moments later.
So a quick update, and the update is that I want to give up on this, and I want to give up on this really very badly. I know I never come on like vlogs and I tell like I don't want to do this and all, but I just want to give up on this. It's really difficult to do a diet plan. It's not that difficult if you have like proper experience on real patients, but again we are interns and we don't have like practical one-to-one sessions with patients and all. Like we just do diet plan and then it's nothing. I'll try for some time, and if it doesn't happen, then I don't know what I'll do. If anyone is a nutrition student and is watching my video right now, my vlog right now, then please do comment in the comment section below and tell me that I am not the only one who sucks at doing diet plans. मतलब 1-2 दिन तो चला जाता ही है एक डाइट प्लान के लिए. आई डोंट नो हाउ इट्स गोना वर्क.
Okay.
It's rain. raining, guys. I love rainy season. I just love. When it comes to shooting a video, then I don't like rainy season a bit because obviously lighting का problem होता है. But otherwise, I really love rainy season. It's 7th of July today. I know I told you that I will be shooting on 6th also, but yesterday's day was really very bad and I didn't have any mood to shoot a video like a vlog or something, so I didn't shoot anything, but I thought I'll shoot today. So today मैंने बहुत कुछ decide किया था, but हुआ कुछ नहीं as always. Like I decided to wake up a bit early and do exercise, but nothing happened. First of all, my alarm, I don't know what happened and वो ring ही नहीं हुआ. So I woke up late as always. Then I had Zoom meeting, like हमारा internship चालू है तो Zoom meeting रहता है. So I had that, I attended that, and then I thought like I'll do exercise and all. But after that, I wanted to go to my grandma's place because she's not well, she's not keeping well. So I went there, I sat for like 1 hour or so there. I talked to her and all, and then I came back and now it's 1:30. So अभी मेरा बिल्कुल मूड नहीं है कुछ करने का. I don't know where this vlog is going, but I hope you guys are enjoying. And yeah, I don't know how many days I'll be shooting this also. I'll try to shoot one more day to give you like more detail about what I work and all. But anyways, I don't know what the thing is because basically our whole life has become very unpredictable. Hello guys, good morning. It's the next day. Actually it's good afternoon because it's like 1:30ish now. I woke up at around 9 or 9:30 and then I had my Zoom call as always. Like the two things I do when I wake up is brush my teeth and attend my Zoom call. That's how my life is now. And today most probably like I am very determined to do workout, like to start doing workout again because from the time my internship has started workout का W भी नहीं किया है मैंने. So it's gonna be like very hectic now, but anyways I want to try it and I can't tell you guys that how badly I want to start my workout again. But it's like very irony to say that, but I don't have any time in this quarantine also. Now after some time I'll be sitting and doing my work again as always. So yeah, I'll be doing my exercise today, so I'll be showing you guys that, and maybe I'll do some things more because I don't have that much work today. I have just some work to do, but let's hope for the best. And yeah, that's what I wanted to tell you guys. Finally we did it. Like I wanted to start this from a very long time and finally we did it, and I am sweating like hell. I followed Blogilates. You know that I follow her like for exercise from a very long time. So I have told you guys this in my previous vlog also, quarantine vlog. So I'll be linking down in the description below so that you can check my vlog, and also I'll be linking down Blogilates YouTube channel below so you can follow her. She's amazing. I did her abs basic workout today and it was like very hard, but it was very good. I'm feeling very energized now and I'm feeling to do something, like I'm feeling to do some work now. And I have not done any work by the way today. Like till now it's like 6 o'clock now in the evening and I haven't done any work till now, so I think so I'll be doing that in night. I slept for few hours, like 1.5 hour I slept, and after that I woke up and then I did my exercise. That's what I did in the whole day. So it was a relaxed day today. Also I think so this is the right time to end this vlog because अभी मैं थोड़ा बहुत काम करने वाली हूँ in some time, and then I'll do nothing basically. So I think so this is the right time to end the vlog. I am very sorry if you got bored because this is what my life is, to get up, to work, to do exercise, and that's it. So और exercise भी आज ही बहुत दिनों के बाद start किया है. So that's what my life is. If you thought that this vlog was boring, then I'm really very sorry, but that's what it is. And yeah, I really hope that you like this vlog, and this is how I wanted to just show you guys that this is how my life is, and this is how my work is going on, and this is how the life of an intern is, you can say. So yeah, I really hope that you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, then you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell button besides subscribe button, so every time I'm online you guys will get notified. Also there is a really very good videos lined up for this channel, so I will try my best and I will post this video. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope that you guys liked it, and we will meet next time. Bye.